Hello friends, let me hope you are doing well and everything is fine. I'm Munye Scripts from Munye Scripts Lifestyle, and today I'm here basically to inform you about the wonderful platforms that were formed by latest UG Music, whereby they formed latestugmusic.online and latestugmusic.com. These are basically platforms that help musicians, creatives earn from their content they create. So if at all you are a musician, upload your song and let people stream to it. The moment they happen to download that song, you earn 60% of the price that you set, and the 35% is retained by the platform. None of your rights are basically taken for the things that you happen to upload. And they also formed a platform that is latestugmusic.xyz for us as creatives to advertise and see that our businesses get in front of people, to billions and billions of people. So if you're out there and you really need your businesses to get out to people, or you need your music to be streamed by people and you earn when these people download them, please endeavor to see that you sign up with these platforms. That is latestugmusic.com, latestugmusic.online and latestugmusic.xyz. These are platforms to help us as creatives out there, as creatives to earn from our creative content. So remember to visit our description section. We are going to be sharing the links that you need to click on and you join those platforms. And also remember to visit the blog that is written on earn money from your music, and it is on latestugmusic.xyz, whereby you are basically going to be able to get codes that you are to use and get offers from 0% cost of joining latestugmusic.xyz. So we are gladly waiting for you, or call us on a +256 70170779 as you see it on the screen, or a +256 782 1085 49 for any information. And remember that we offer skilling and training in videography, graphics designing, in all the softwares that you may want to learn. So remember to contact us. Remember to visit our description section to get the contacts, to ask any question in the comment section. And also remember that you can contact us and get to know more about